Doei, Cappuccino. Doei, jongen. Doei. Doei. Doei, jongen. Doei. Doei. Koeien. Ja, jij gaat toch ook mee? You're going too. You're going too. Ja. Ja. Found this beautiful area here, Cappuccino. Underneath the mountains. It's pretty far to come here to walk, otherwise it would be nice. I bet they come here with dogs. There in these forests are the wolves. Pack of wolves. Pack of wolves like you. Come. You go down here, let's go. Come. Come on. Move your butt. I know it's hot. Come. Gonna get some water. Come on. Good boy. Get some water for you. Where are you going? We're not always going to restaurants. Let's go. Ten duży zapyta, ile jest. A tylko zapyta cię, ile jest. Ojo. Ja nie wiem, może w środku. We need this really one. We need one of these, a shot glass. For Daywalker. He collects. Yeah. Cappuccino, come on. Come here. Waar je doet je van de lijn. Maar kijken, daar. Wachten. Ja, doe maar. Cappuccino. Genoeg. Cappuccino. Ga maar liggen, jongen. Ja, ga maar liggen. Go lay down. Dziękuję. Ja. No, nie chcę. Nie lubię beza. Dobre? Jest lekker. Koffie. Godziny. No chodź. We wachten. Papje is sleutel aan het zoeken. Cooking for Cappuccino. The king. Cappuccino. Why is it always here so like bad light? You gotta have an apartment. Sorry, I got the. You gotta have an apartment with good light. You wanna have good videos, I think. Anyway, cooking for Cappuccino. You're crazy ass. You crazy ass. I look like a homeless person. You crazy ass. Come, we're going. Warm. Cappuccino doesn't know what to do anymore. It's only 27 degrees, Cappuccino. You need an airco, I know. I know. I have to over here, Cappuccino. I'm gonna move all hair. Better? Cappuccino. Yo, it's better? It's hot. Oh, baby. You gotta get used to warm weather better.